Hello, this is Tim Campso with TBC Action Coach of Indiana with our Business Spotlight series. The purpose is to interview local business owners and promote them on our social channels and email database. This is a free service we're providing because when every small business is strong, the economy is strong. Today, I have the pleasure of speaking with DJ. Welcome, DJ. It's great to have you on the program today.
Hello, thanks for having me.
Well, let's start with having you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit of your background.
Certainly. Well, my name is DJ McCord. I kind of started my marketing and business life in graduate school, where I went to school in Chicago and studied business and marketing. Um, Soon thereafter, I moved to San Antonio, Texas, where I started my first business. It was a personal growth company. And then in the year 2000, I moved back to my original hometown of Indianapolis, Indiana, where I worked in a number of different industries and have taught at a few different universities. And while I was teaching at one of those, the Indianapolis campus of DeVry University, I actually met an individual, Ms. McCord Cargile. And a few years after that, in 2016, Ms. Cargile and I met at a McAllister's Deli and decided to create a marketing firm. And McCord and Cargile Marketing Resources was born.
Fantastic. So tell us a little bit more about your business. If I was to say, what's your 60-second commercial? How would you describe what you do?
Certainly. Well, McCord and Cargile Marketing Resources, we're a full service marketing firm. We're dedicated to servicing small businesses, entrepreneurs, and nonprofit organizations. And we help them connect with their target audiences and dramatically increase their engagement with those audiences. We create simple marketing strategies, we design marketing cheat sheets, we teach basic website and marketing maintenance, and we design powerful social media campaigns. Right now, we're in the middle of our planning our 5-year anniversary celebration. We got a website giveaway that I'll talk more about later. We're wrapping up an intern cohort, and we're getting ready to launch our summer intern cohort. And we are planning to release our first book that we've written on marketing. That's going to be released in June.
Wonderful. Fantastic. So tell us a little bit more about your ideal target audience, or who is your best client?
Well, we do focus on small businesses, entrepreneurs, and nonprofit organizations. We really like to work with folks who recognize and realize the power of a well-targeted marketing campaign.
Wonderful. So DJ, tell us what's been the greatest impact that COVID has had on your business?
Well, we've always worked with our clients to do online marketing programs. And so I think what COVID has done is has increased the emphasis we already had, our existing emphasis on online marketing as a key component to a total marketing program.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful. So we've all had to pivot to navigate through COVID and all of the restrictions and slowdowns, et cetera. What's a strategy that you've taken or an action that you've implemented in your business to make a difference during COVID, and how's that been working for you?
Well, we have an advantage that we can do a lot of our meetings, and even before COVID, we're doing a lot of our meetings by telephone and by Zoom meeting and by teleconference. Now we found that we were having most of those meetings done in that way, which is more difficult. We really like the personal touch, face to face, but it works out fairly well. But another aspect for that is one of the things that we teach in our workshops and we encourage our clients to do is to do topical and theme-based outreach programs, social media posting campaigns. And so COVID has actually provided another dimension to the topical posting that folks can do, not just really about the virus, the pandemic, but really uh, how they and other folks they know are transcending and thriving.
Wonderful. So, DJ, here's an interesting question. It's been said that smart people learn from their mistakes and wise people learn from the mistakes of others. So, what's a mistake you've made along the way that you'd be willing to share to help other entrepreneurs learn from your experience?
Um, well, one thing I learned is the perspective on capitalization. Um, if you don't think you're undercapitalized when you're starting a business, you're probably not being realistic. So that, matter of fact, that was really kind of the spelled the demise of my first business. And so when I started McCord Cargile, um, then I had the benefit of the wisdom of what was capital was needed and how to be more efficient. Um, and I guess the other is, and I kind of knew this intuitively, but it's really been reinforced. Um, the importance of continuous engagement with clients. In here's kind of a little spoiler, I guess, but the last key concept in the book that we're going to publish, it's talking about how do you maintain a grasp on not just your existing customers, but on your prospects, your target audience. And it really has to do with something we talk about in our online marketing workshops, which is the idea of consistency.
Mm.
Um, you don't want to get um, out of touch and out of view from your existing customers and your existing target audience prospect base.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for being willing to share good lessons for all of us. So, second last question here, DJ. We have your contact information. I'll be sure to include that along with this video. But is there anything else that you want to make sure that we talk about, or any types of offers that you have running?
Well, actually, three, I mentioned them briefly earlier on. One is that we're engaged right now in basically like the celebration of our 5th year in business, and we're celebrating with a website giveaway. So we'll be selecting 5 businesses who put in an application. It's a very brief application. It's available on our website, and we'll be selecting 5 lucky companies to receive a website for free. And that can be, for those who don't have one, that can be a new website that we'll put together and launch, uh, or it can be an upgrade to an existing website if an organization's got one that's not what they really ideally want, or that's getting a little stale. So that's one thing. Another thing is that as I mentioned, we're wrapping up. We're just at the end of a cohort of an internship program, the spring internship program, and we had 5 people involved in that. So for the summer, we're looking to put together another intern cohort. We're looking for about 5 interns. So anyone interested in being an intern with us, they can again find us online and contact us about being interested in being an intern for the summer. And then one of the things is we're looking to start doing our workshops again, the 5 Keys to Online Marketing Workshop. And so again, people can find out information about that online. And an early pitch for a soon to be published and soon to be available on Amazon book. It's going to be called, this is another spoiler, but it's going to be called A Marketing Fairy Tale.
I love it. Well, we will make sure to include the link to your website for those offers so that folks listening can take advantage of that. Appreciate those offers. So DJ, last question here. Tell me what's been most inspiring to you during all the craziness of the past year?
Well, I don't know that it's so much what has been inspiring as much as who, but I guess I'd have to say I have been very much inspired by the resiliency and the determination. First of all, by my partner in crime, my partner in the business is Aisha Cargile, but also many people that we work with uh, who have really supported and encouraged us. Just to name a few, the public speaker Sonal Shatsavari, uh, Joy Mason of Purpose, Power, and Joy, and Denola Burton of Enhanced DNA, all local businesses business people that have really been encouraging us and supporting us as we did the same for them.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for sharing that. So that does conclude our interview. For those listening, if you've heard something that piques your interest, intrigues you, please take advantage of the offers that DJ shared with us. Like I said, I'm going to provide the website address here along with this video. So take advantage of that. Click over to their website, explore those offers, and take advantage of the one that is most applicable to you. As a thank you to everyone appearing on the show, we do provide a complimentary 2-hour business coaching session, so we can talk about that offline, DJ. It's been an
Good.
absolute pleasure learning about you and your business, and I wish you tremendous success.
Well, same to you, Coach Tim, and thank you for the chance to be with you.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. You as well.
All right,
Thanks.
take care.
Bye.